British public. You've given your money in single pounds, tens of thousands of pounds, and some people have made quite large contribution. Sir Jack Hayward has been an outstanding contributor. Eddie Forrester of Aerobytes, a huge support from CAA and Marshall's Aerospace. Companies like EADS, AFBP, BAE Systems, Jefferson, Subaru, AD Holdings, Goldrich, Rolls-Royce, Judd Power, and of course Lee Walton is a virtually call. Dory, Corgi Datsun Cross, which is called that Falcon. So there are other people who support us, so why shouldn't we support the Falcon? Business plan actually is for commercial sponsorship, but it's kind of a good time at the moment for that. Being flown today by Martin Withers, DFC. He was the guy. The original aircraft went unserviceable shortly after takeoff. It was a 16-hour flight. They had to say Vulcans and Victors. They dropped 21 1,000-pound bombs on the runway. Got 2 hits out of it. Made it unusual for the fast jets, and that's important. As I say, he was awarded the DFC.
Let's change to diamond formation. That's right, it's got to be the ground up. I'm not going to change to diamond formation. My husband here in the audience today, predominantly in Afghanistan, but I've seen several operational tours providing close air support to the troops out there. He's a keen runner and kite surfer, and he's also got a pretty desperate Barbie fancy dress costume. And we've already had to see him wear this costume 3 times this year, and it's enough to make a grown man cry. Now out to the right hand side there, the smoke of 8 and 9 comes on as the pilot forms cranked arrow. You'll see the shape of the arrow is cranked on the right hand wingtip there. But the highest man in the formation is Red 9, Flight Lieutenant Simon Ray. Known on the team as Kermit, because he sounds like Kermit the Frog on the radio apparently. He's a New Zealander and he flew with the Royal New Zealand Air Force before he joined the Royal Air Force in 2002, and he went on to be a Harrier pilot as well. Like Baz, the leader, he's received several operational tours in Afghanistan, but he's also a very talented man. He, in New Zealand, learned to touch type, and one of his skills is that he can touch type at 60 words a minute. And of course we don't banter him one bit about this on the team. So with Baz calling the team to roll in, so this is cranked arrow. Barrel roll around the outside guys who slide up the rear. On the left-hand side, skillfully done from Kermit.